I am a Blender noob. Some things that may seem obvious to others are not to me. I'm in Blender 3 something, and from what I've read, things have actually changed. So I've been wasting my time with a certain way of doing a loop cut, and talk about that. Right. So I need to go into edit mode, go down to the loop cut. Here we are, loop cut. Now what has changed, if I've understood, is that previously you had a loop cut and you have an edge slide, and you still have the edge slide as a separate thing, but you don't need to use it as far as I can see, because what I can do is I can take my loop cut, make a cut, and then keep the left button held down and drag it across to my preferred position, and then I'm done. I do not need to bring into play the edge slide. Where have you gone? The edge slide here. As far as I can see, that is not necessary in terms of making. You can do the loop cut and the slide in one action, basically. That's all. Thank you.